Titiro, look, here comes the manui te rā. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me live 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Reo Māori. Happy Māori New Year, Tākaro Tribe.
Reo Māori, Kōkā.
Are you ready to celebrate Matariki?
We know what Matariki is, Kōkā. They are a cluster of whetū, stars.
They are also the tohu, symbol for the Māori New Year.
Whoa! Let's celebrate with the waiata.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hari tauhou Māori e hika mā.
Wow, wow!
A kete has been gifted to you by te Wao Arapū. Inside is the word of the day.
Let's spell the word.
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. Matariki is the word of the day.
I want to celebrate Matariki, but where do I even start?
Maybe Pāpā Rākau can help you.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Tākaro Tribe, you've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau. It's the Māori New Year, Pāpā Rākau.
Tika tāu e, we have an exciting kaupapa at dawn to celebrate Matariki.
What's a hautapu?
It's an old tradition. We release the steam from our kai kōhua, oil up, which feeds the 9 stars.
Oh, I'm feeling hungry already.
Our friends are preparing their own hautapu. Let's take a look.
Oh!
Indeed, but it's time for you to prepare your hautapu.
How do we do that?
You make an ahurewa, altar, out of rākau and harakeke, just like our friends.
Oh, that will be so cool! Look, there's a pā harakeke. And there's sticks. Ka pai! You and E can pick up the sticks, while O and E help me plant the harakeke. Let's put it all together now. Ruru! Working together, we'll get the job done. Oh, there's the campfire.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Ruru. Ruru, we built the ahurewa altar for the hautapu.
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. Pāpā Rākau will be so happy. Now it's time for bed. We have to wake up early tomorrow.
Mātou, Ruru.
Mua tarau, Tākaro Tribe. And mua tarau to everyone. Thank you all for the contributions. Let's join in a karakia. He hua I runga, he hua I raro. He hua I roto, he hua I waho. He hua nā wai, he hua nā matariki e. Look at the sky. Matariki is shining brightly.
Wow! It's so beautiful.
It's time to feed the stars. Release the steam.
Te tino ake. E kimo ana ngā whetū. E mihi ana ki a tātou. I'm really hungry now.
Let's all eat. Thank you for making our ahurewa altar, Tākaro Tribe.
Thank you for inviting us, Ruru. Let's celebrate with the waiata, a song. 力で我々をこむ家で我々をこむ家で我々をこむ家Yaura tamariki ma noho mai ki toku taha noho mai ki to Kōkā taha Hei Māori ora Kia ora Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā.
How was the hautapu?
It was so amazing, Kōkā. We saw the whetū, stars in the sky.
And we saw Matariki.
That's fantastic, Tākaro Tribe. Let's look at the word of the day. I hear Pāpā Rākau calling you.
Kia ora no Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Let's take a look at what you did today. It's the Māori New Year. Ruru invited you to his hautapu to celebrate Matariki. You built an ahurewa, altar, for the hautapu. You fed the stars, and you had a kai with everyone. What an extraordinary day!
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Po Mārie. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Roia tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe po Māori e kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro,